G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A stable trade wind pattern has pretty much locked in for the week, so expect mild, showery weather near the coast, rough conditions out on the reef and high fire danger inland. Overnight rainfalls, Major Creek and Selham both had 27 millimetres. We had 23 mils down at Dingo Beach. Bowen and Paluma both picked up 22 mils. Nice and cool today, as you'd expect in a wet southeasterly, with only 28 degrees in Townsville, but humidity's made up for it with 87% this afternoon at the airport. On the satellite loop, your typical monsoonal cloud covering northern Australia, and that includes North Queensland, and that of course is merging with the southeasterly cloud that's come straight off the Coral Sea, bringing the showers that we're seeing, and they're present right up and down the coast, but obviously it's augmented by that thicker middle level cloud once we get to the tropical half of Queensland. There's also another bit of frontal cloud there over the North New South Wales coast. Today's chart, standard southeasterly trade wind pattern. It's very much like what you'd expect in mid-autumn. Nice big high there, just crossing under Tasmania. Nice firm pressure pattern, so isobars are close together and winds are getting quite fresh along the coast, and they're extending all the way up to Cape York Peninsula. Tomorrow's chart, the winds could get strong enough for us to issue a warning for Central and the Capricorn waters. In fact, the warning has already been issued, and the remaining waters will still be quite fresh, up to 25 knots, and of course there'll be showers with that. And then on the outlook chart, the bulk of the shower activity will remain in the tropical north under the influence of the monsoon trough nearby, but there'll still be some showers continuing in the southeast. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters, southeast winds up to 25 knots tomorrow. On Friday, increasing to warning strength, as I mentioned, 20 to 30 knots from the southeast, and easing slightly for Saturday. The tidal range can't possibly get any wider after one of the biggest tides of the year, so I guess it'll have to get narrower pretty soon. It's a daytime peak, so you won't miss it. Herbert and Lower Burdekin, showers tomorrow, mainly in the afternoon and evening. Townsville 23 up to 30 degrees. Ayr and Ingham also 30. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders might be a late storm in the north. Otherwise fine, with Charters Towers reaching 30 degrees and Georgetown 32. Looking ahead for Townsville, every day for the next whole week looks much the same. Good chance of at least one daily shower, maybe 2 or 3 if you're lucky. Tops around 30 and warm, humid nights. Tonight's photo was brought to you by Dave from Coolum Beach. I don't have details about when it was taken, but naturally it jumps the queue simply by not being a sunrise or sunset photo, also because good storm pics aren't easy to take. Thanks, Dave, and thank you all. Catch you soon, and now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Lou. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company, folks. Catch you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, if you missed anything, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app, or of course you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, good night.
Good night.